Right, so I got tagged by Andy, Rusty and the Woodsman. I got tagged by Simon, a bloke in the woods, to list my 3 favourite luxury bushcraft or wild camping items. So that's weird. Anyway, we're gonna get to it. Where did you come from? You just love that when you show up to your camp and somebody's already made the fire, shelter's already built. Sweet. This is your thing, innit? Ross does it to wind me up. Every time we film, he's got to be smoking. Don't smoke, kids. Bad for you. Yeah. 3 non-essential items for wild camping or bushcraft or whatever. It's just basically stuff that's maybe a little bit impractical, doesn't quite, you know, fit in your pack neatly or whatever, but you just like bringing it. So first thing is a Dutch oven, and like, I love cooking out in the woods, and I find a Dutch oven is one of those things that's super heavy, super impractical, but you get amazing results. Yeah, so that's my first item. Second item is my wooden cup, which is, it's kind of like a cookser, but it's more like a mug. I made it on a lathe, and my wooden bowls. So really love these, but they take up loads of room in my pack, but I just something really satisfying about having them. So yeah, that's my second item. And my third item is my bandana. My bandana is, you'll probably struggle to find a video with me not wearing one of these. They're just so good for a million different uses, and well, I wouldn't come out to the woods without it. So that's my third item, and in fact I better fire it back on. Aye, that's better. Yeah, so those are my 3 items. Love them to bits. Obviously a Dutch oven, you might see different sized Dutch ovens. I've really grown fond of these Petromax ones because they're just so well made. Aye, so great bit of kit, and that's it. So tag a few folk. The 3 folk I'm going to tag for this is Stuart from Scottish Wanderer, and curious to see because he's always taking all different kit out, so I wonder what's the stuff that always comes out that's a bit impractical. And yeah, Andy, Kent Survival, you know, see what he's got. And I'm going to tag Becky, Girl Outdoors. Really great channels, all 3 of them, and go check them out. There'll be links in the description. Yeah. You want to peel a carrot, use the spine of your knife. Best carrot peeler ever. Ta-da! Of course, little bonus luxury item, hip flask full of oil. Perfect little bit of extra kit for cooking. I got another hip flask that I put soap in, just because they all stack together quite neatly. You can pack them all together. I need to make a new spatula, this one's rubbish. Just burn it. Make another one. Right, so just to make a quick spatula, well, you get a piece of wood, you split it in half. Chop a bit off. Hammer it in from the side to make like a little groove. Then we're going to start at the other side, hammer it in. Drop it all the way down there. And well, you can already see quite spatula-like. I'm doing this really quick and nasty because, well, I don't want the mince to burn. But this is how you carve a spatula out in the woods in about 15 seconds. There we go. Job's a good one. Spatula. Much stronger than that other one that I was struggling with. Oh, that's so much better. I can actually stir this thing. Right, so I've not really explained what I'm doing actually. We're making cottage pie in the Dutch oven. So I'm just sort of cooking up the mince, the carrots and the onions. I don't know, this is kind of cheating for some of you, but I got Coleman's cottage pie sachet because it's just so much easier. Fire that in. Oh man, it's burning my hands. There we go. And away we go. You can tell this has cooled down a wee bit. Sorted. See how we're doing. Ooh, yes. Cottage pie. You know what? I've got a feeling this is going to fall apart as it's coming out. Aye. I've done a good job there. I'm not gonna lie, dishing up cottage pie out of a Dutch oven is a pretty sloppy job. I could have done with a gigantic spatula. But it's all gonna taste pretty good afterwards. I feel like I'm making such a mess of this. Well, cheers folks. That's why I love Dutch ovens. It's the only way to really, well, that's a lie actually. I was going to say it's the only way to make an oven out in the woods, but it's definitely the easiest and quickest way to bring an oven out into the woods with you. Spot on. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.
And throw roses everywhere.
Yep. And then we throw roses everywhere.
Yeah. Woo! Although we don't even have roses, I'm simply kidding. Woo!
See you later, folks.
Bye!
Bye.